G'day, I'm Nick. I'm currently studying Cert 3 Plumbing at the Gordon and working with David Parker Plumbing and have been for my whole apprenticeship. I think the Gordon was the right decision for my training because there's a very diverse range of teachers there. It's a good environment. They're all plumbers, they all know what they're doing. They're all tradespeople, they've been in our position before, so they know what it's like. It's very easy for someone like myself or someone new starting out to go in and enjoy themselves because they're surrounded not just by teachers but by actual tradespeople.
Nick is just a standout apprentice. We would have had 30 or 40 apprentices over our time. He's been far more advanced at the same age. When I go on site, they are so impressed with him and it makes us so proud. They love his personability on the job, how he explains what he's doing, how clean he is, how nice he is. So, you know, that's a standout moment for us when we get compliments on how he's going, which happen weekly, you know, like it really does. So that makes us so proud, yeah.
One day I would like to run my own business. It's always sort of been my dream, even from a young kid, to always have my own business, be my own boss, and I have a team of people working for me and create a good work environment. So I'd definitely say that's next 5-10 years I want to be doing my own things and be able to, I guess, be my own boss and have a good experience doing that.